Hi, I'm Zubair Khatry. My role at Virgin Australia is the Creative Studio Lead. Virgin Australia is the challenger brand within the market sector. We've got a good niche where we will be a bit more playful, a bit more tongue-in-cheek in how we go to market with everything. The Creative Studio internally works across the entire business, and we do a high volume across both retail, tactical, as well as our general big brand campaigns and production support for some of the agency bigger work too. We had a high volume of workload support requests coming through. Our capacity to provide the response was diminishing significantly, and the lead times were blowing out. The idea behind bringing Express in was to relieve them of the low impact work and let them apply their skills to what they were best suited for. The way we started with Express as a rollout was we set up a range of different templates across our owned channels that allows a marketer to come in with the message already on hand, set that up into the templates, pick a few key visuals, and then roll that out across our key owned channels. Now that we've had it in place for quite a while, I've seen that we've won them over too. There's been huge impacts across the business where we've found we've been able to go to market with more campaigns than ever. We've found a 40% increase in campaigns being produced overall. We've been able to be a bit more tactical in our approach with those campaign deliveries. Time saved from the creative team, about 10 hours a week. The overall volume of work has probably increased. Express has made a huge difference to our tactical campaigns with our marketers across our loyalty program. We've got a calendar of activity that goes out where we have a certain amount of targets to hit. It's the kind of work that doesn't need a high design level applied to it because it is quite templated in its approach. We've integrated a few other Adobe products into our Express ones, such as Adobe Stock to find additional imagery, additional videos. We also have used our libraries pretty strongly because that's going to be the foundations for our templates. From a creative team, we can control how people are using our brand elements and how we show up in market. It's working quite closely, hand in glove almost, you could say, with Adobe to ensure that we are working the best way within the platform to ensure that the creative team is using their time wisely to get the best output.